My name is Joey Lao, and I teach at the Henry Samueli School of Engineering at UCLA. In addition to teaching classes at School of Engineering, I work closely with executives in various industries so our graduate students can collaborate with companies on projects as part of the highly regarded Masters of Engineering capstone program. Prior to teaching at UCLA, I worked at Johnson & Johnson Medical Devices for 20 years. I recently co-founded a company to develop a software solution that uses the latest in computer vision technology to detect manufacturing defects in real time, and we are focusing on the medical device industry. Our company is called Stenella AI. The medical device industry spends over $17 billion annually on scrap, rework, product recalls, and litigation costs due to manufacturing defects. In addition, in the past decade alone, more than 1.7 million patients have been injured and some have died due to defective medical devices. The solution we're developing can detect small defects in real time with 99% accuracy. These allows manufacturers to proactively address problems during their manufacturing process, rather than having to wait to address the errors after the fact. We can monitor a company's manufacturing operation using their existing cameras, saving the company the cost and trouble of installing new equipment and hardware. We can then grab the images or video stream from the camera from anywhere in the world and send it to the cloud to be processed on our AI solution, and send an alert or notification to the right people so they can take appropriate action. And we can do all of this in less than a second. We have successfully tested our solution on a pilot with leading medical device company, and preliminary results show that we can achieve a 99% accuracy in detecting product defects on a consistent basis. Although we are initially focused on the medical device industry, we believe our solution can be used in a variety of industries. Our estimates show that the potential addressable market for our solution is at least $25 billion. So far, we've received a grant from the National Science Foundation to further develop our product offering. Currently, we are looking for early-stage investors and potential early adopters to join us as we transform the future of medical device manufacturing and help improve patient safety. Thank you for your time.